Caterpillar machines are built to be rebuilt to like new standards, and that's exactly what we do here in the Component Rebuild Center. Wheeler Machinery is a 5-star component rebuild center with Caterpillar. Customer may drop off their engine, transmission, powertrain components and have them repaired or reconditioned. They can actually have more of a custom experience here where it's very personalized, very interactive, and they can be step-by-step involved in the complete process. We rebuild the engine or the component to a 0-hour like new component, so it can go for another service life, and that can take place 3, 4, 5 times in the course of a component's life. And ultimately that saves our clients money. We have an engine dyno, we have a powertrain dyno. Once the engine is assembled, we'll install the engine on the dyno. It'll get 2 test sessions, one being for power output and performance, the second being for leak checks and quality control measures. Part of the customer experience here at Wheeler, the customer is going to receive daily updates via email, telephone call, text message. They'll also receive photos for their review. We take contamination control very seriously. It involves 2 forms of protection. It is built in and part of every process that we do, and it is to eliminate cyclical wear and tear, fatigue, premature failure, and ultimately more costly repairs for the customer. Once a component is prepared for the customer pickup, it's going to look factory brand new, if not better. It's going to look very customized. A lot of the components that leave the Component Rebuild Center are built in a custom manner, so they're immediately plug and play for the customer. They can put it right into their machine, hook up the lines and the electrical, and go right to work. Whereas if you were to purchase an engine over the counter, you're going to have a lot of parts transfer, engine dress out. We help eliminate that time or shorten that gap to where the machine can go back to work. Oftentimes it's days in time. What sets Wheeler Machinery apart is our belief in the Wheeler way, that we believe it should be a good deal for the customer and a good deal for Wheeler Machinery. The technician commitment is unparalleled at Wheeler Machinery. They are highly committed to getting the customer back to work and being safe and keeping the cost down. If you're not in the dirt, you're not making money.